guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. And as you can see, this is from my favorite brand, which is Chanel. So let's go. So you guys, as you can see, this one I ordered this online, and this one I bought this at the mall. And last time I bought the lipstick from uh, Macy's, and the other one is online as well, but this time I bought this in Dillards, and the packaging came in this. So as you can see, it's very nice. It's in a paper bag with Chanel tissue and the box. This one I ordered this online, chanel.com, and let's go start. So um let's start with this one. So just put this on the side. Okay, so it was delivered like a few days ago, but I haven't opened it. I haven't had a chance to do the video, so this is the perfect time for me to go unbox it. Okay. So last time when I bought the lipstick, it came with two boxes, but this time it's only one. It came in one box. And I have, and with the receipt and the return label. By the way, this one, I bought this, and this is a Chanel compact mirror. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm thinking of sending it back because I thought like it's not worth it. It's too pricey. This mirror costs $42, and I was like thinking like I could have bought a powder or eyeshadow that comes with the mirror, so why would I have to buy a mirror separately? So I called Chanel customer service, and I asked them about the return. So they said it comes with this one, and the receipt and the return label, so I'll just have to send it back if I want to return it. And so when I asked her about how's the process of refunding my money back, she told me like it'll take 3 weeks for me to get my money back. So I thought it's not worth it. Oh wow. Chanel.com wishes you happy holiday season and a beautiful new year. Wow. It came with this card, and it's cute. It's so nice. And as always, it's wrapped beautifully with Chanel sticker, and it came with this. This is the mirror, and they sent me samples again. So it came with a pouch. It came with Chanel Sublimage. Another one, it's the same Sublimage as well. It's lip fluid, and the other one is lip cream. And the third one is they send me mascara. So it's perfect because I'm thinking of getting a new mascara because mine is running out. So it's perfect that I could try it and see if it's something I could switch my old mascara from. So it's perfect. And yeah, going back to the mirror that I purchased. So yeah, I was thinking of sending it back, but I think I'm just going to keep it. Oh wow, it's so cute. Oh yeah. So I was expecting like a little bigger mirror, but it looks like it's very handy and it's very slim. It's nice. Okay, I think I'm going to keep it. It's very beautiful to put in your purse. It looks fancy, and it came with this velvet pouch. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep it, but in my opinion, uh, I'd rather, like I said before, I could have bought a powder. There you go. So yeah, in my opinion, I don't recommend this buying for yourself, but if you're looking to give someone something fancy, like if you want to give someone something fancy, this is the perfect gift you can give a friend, family member. By the way, this costs $42 when I checked videos from before. It only cost $35, so they increased by $7. So you just have to open it. It's like magnetic when you it's like automatically shut. It's not something like in a compact or is it something in a powder or in an eyeshadow palette. You'll see like there's like an opening here, but this one it doesn't have. The good thing about this, it's very thin compared to the ones with the powder. Those are like thicker ones, so this one is perfect in your purse. So there you go, guys. Another awesome purchase online. I love the boxes. I'm keeping them. With the previous unboxing, I kept them. Uh, it's very nice box as a keepsake. So there you go. Okay, so we're done with my online purchase for the mirror. Again, that's $42. I think it's like I paid $43 with tax, and you get complimentary free delivery, 2-day delivery. So let's go ahead and proceed with my purchase at the mall. So this Chanel purchase is at Dillards. So unlike with my unboxing with Chanel lipstick, it's from Macy's, and now this time it's Dillards. So I'm happy I made this purchase. The packaging is so fancy. I love the paper bag. It comes with this Chanel tissue, and unlike this one is a little bigger. And by the way, I opened this at the mall because I want to make sure I bought the right size that I want. So I opened it at the mall because I want to make sure I got the right size in buying this stuff. Oh, I really love the smell. So there you go, guys. This is the one I bought at the mall, and this is Coco Chanel or Coco Mademoiselle Chanel perfume spray, and it came with free samples. The Chanel samples for other scent. And yeah, this is the Mademoiselle. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so this is the perfume. It's so fancy. I really love this. You have to twist it so it opens for you to spray the perfume. It's a travel size one. It's the reason why I bought this. If you see with what's in my bag last time, I bring with me like the whole bottle, which is 3.4 ounce, and it's very heavy for my bag. So I love the smell. So I prefer to buy this one, and it comes with 2 refills. this one and another one on the side. So these are the refills, and it's 20 milliliter each, and it already has one inside. If I'm not mistaken, these cost $110 for this package with 2 refills. But I think online you can buy just this one for $85. And actually, the one that I really like is the black one. They have a black one like this, but the perfume is number 5, and the smell, it's something that I'm not fond with, so I didn't like that smell, so I chose the white one. And yep, I'm happy with this purchase. I just wish it's open with other fragrance, like, because it's only limited for them. So the white one is for Mademoiselle and the black one is for number 5. So I'm using mine is Chanel Chance, so I wanted to have that one handy as well. I'm not sure they have refills, but I know they have refills for this particular scent, for this particular spray. So there you go, guys. That's the reason why I bought this one, because I want handy perfume in my purse that doesn't weigh too much in my bag. So there you go. So it's really fancy. I love this. And see, there's a gold Chanel logo, CC logo. You just have to twist it and spray. You just have to pull it up and put it back. So I'm gonna try. Good thing I like this scent. That's why I bought this, because if I don't like the smell, definitely I'm not gonna buy it. So I'm not sure if the black one, if something I could get. I hope Steph likes the smell. So there you go. It came, I opened it at the mall, and this is the packaging. Let's see. Oh, I really love the smell. And yeah, I love the packaging. And definitely I'll go back to Dillards. By the way, when I purchased something in Macy's, they gave me 15% discount. So I saved few dollars. But with Dillards, since it's holiday, if you purchase $100, over $100, you'll get a $25 coupon that you can purchase after Christmas. And that's why, even though it's pricey for this perfume, I opt to buying it. And I'm looking forward to buy another Chanel product. And yeah, there's already something in line that I want to buy, so I'm so excited to, you know, unbox another Chanel product and share it with you guys. So there you go. By the way, this Chanel is a surprise gift from my partner Stefan, and the reason why it's surprise, you know why? Because I used his card in buying this, and he doesn't know about it, so that's why it's a surprise gift from him, because when he see his bank statements, he'll get surprised. So there you go, guys. That's another lovely unboxing and my impressions with this Chanel products. So thank you so much for staying with me and watching the video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell as well so you'll get notified uh, whenever I post another video. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless. Happy holidays. Bye.